Caladiums have different varieties. These are just some of what I have right now. This is the very first caladium variety I had for quite a long time. I wasn't able to pay attention to it until someone asked me about it. When she saw it in the background in my social media account. And so I am now propagating it with you today. Caladiums are propagated by division and repotting. Repotting encourages new growths, since you're giving your plants more space. First thing we do is to remove our plant from the pot. As you can see, the stems grow in groups, which makes it easy to divide them. Carefully slice through the soil with your fingers to separate the groups. Look, that's a bulb! Some stems have their own bulbs, some don't. I will put each stem in separate pots so they will grow even more. Then we collect the bulbs. Fill your pots with soil. These bulbs we will put on top of a pot of soil. Lastly, we will water our new plants. After a few weeks, our pot of bulbs grew leaves already.